You go down, you drop down. Michigan is only getting a 2.5 point.
Wow. I feel like that plus number for Michigan would be nice. Interesting on that one. And I do want to just because we are going to get not full team reports, obviously, focus fully on the tournament. Raider Jim will be able to talk about his Zags when we get to the Midwest. Look, the Aztecs were matched up technically in the South. They never even got that far. They got blown out of the building against North Carolina. It was a pretty pitiful effort. Miles Bird, I believe, it was announced, or Bird or Boyd, one of them announced he is entering the transfer portal. No big surprise. Again, you just have to rebuild the team year in and year out.